The wealthy don't panic when inflation rises. They prepare. Today, I'll explain how wealthy individuals protect their money from inflation, and what everyday people can learn from that mindset. Welcome back to Simple Financial Literacy. When people hear the rich, they often imagine secrets or shortcuts. The truth is simpler. The wealthy don't rely on one strategy. They rely on systems, diversification, and long-term thinking. Let's break this down clearly. The biggest difference isn't income, it's how money is treated. Most people think of money as something to spend or save. The wealthy think of money as something that must work. Inflation punishes idle money, so the wealthy rarely leave large amounts of cash sitting still. Cash loses value during inflation. Assets are designed to grow or adjust. The wealthy focus on owning assets, businesses, real estate, stocks and ownership, assets that adjust with rising prices. This doesn't mean they hold no cash. It means cash is strategic, not permanent. Strategic cash handles short-term needs while ownership tries to outpace inflation. Ownership can capture price changes. Cash absorbs them. Over time, that difference compounds. The key is purpose, what each dollar is for. Systems make it automatic. One of the biggest mistakes people make is concentrating money in one place. The wealthy spread risk. They diversify across asset types, industries, time horizons, sometimes countries. Diversification doesn't eliminate risk, it manages it. No single bet, many small thoughtful ones. Rebalancing keeps the mix aligned. Automation reduces emotion. The wealthy pay attention to how inflation affects different assets. Some assets historically perform better when prices rise. Others protect purchasing power. They don't guess, they study, and they adjust slowly, not emotionally. Zooming out gives perspective. Principles over predictions. Real estate is a common inflation hedge. Why? Because rents tend to rise with inflation, and fixed mortgage payments stay the same. This doesn't mean real estate is always easy or risk-free. It means it's often part of a broader strategy. Many wealthy individuals own businesses. Businesses can adjust prices. That flexibility helps protect against inflation. Employees feel inflation. Owners can sometimes pass costs forward. Pricing power rests on delivering real value. Healthy businesses manage costs, prices, and quality over time. This part surprises many people. The wealthy don't avoid all debt. They avoid bad debt. They use strategic fixed-rate debt when it makes sense. Inflation can reduce the real value of fixed debt over time. This requires discipline and planning. Wealthy people rarely think in weeks or months, they think in years and decades. Inflation is short-term noise to long-term planners. This mindset alone reduces panic. You don't need to be rich to think like the wealthy. You can apply the principles at any income level. Key takeaways: learn before reacting, avoid leaving money idle, diversify when possible, focus on ownership, think long-term. Not everyone has access to the same opportunities, and that matters. But understanding the system helps you make better decisions within your reality. Protecting money from inflation isn't about copying the rich, it's about learning how money works. Knowledge is the first asset. In the next video, we'll talk about whether investing during inflation makes sense for beginners, and how to start safely. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe. Thank you for watching Simple Financial Literacy.